Today we're gonna make this colorful, classic layered spring salad. To get started on making our classic spring layered salad, first we're gonna find the perfect bowl. So here's a trifle bowl. It's so pretty. You're gonna be able to see all the layers of the salad. So we'll put that here, and now we're gonna get all our ingredients ready. We have mixed greens, I have peas, tomatoes. So our cherry tomatoes, we're gonna cut these in half. So we're gonna get these ready for all our pretty layers. So our tomatoes are ready. We'll put that right here in the bowl. And now we have cucumber. So we're gonna get a cucumber ready. So this English cucumber, I'm not gonna cut the outside. I'm not gonna peel it, but you can if you like. But I think it looks pretty with the color. And then I'm gonna do a yellow pepper. So we have a lot of green already, so that's why I chose a yellow pepper for this. Right here in the bowl. So our yellow pepper is ready. And then for the top, we're gonna do some green onion. So we'll leave our green onion here, and now we have our hard-boiled eggs. So we have 3 hard-boiled eggs. To make the perfect hard-boiled egg, you can click this link so you can learn how to make the perfect hard-boiled egg. We're gonna slice them. Nice thick slices, because you wanna see the colors of that around the trifle bowl. So I'm just gonna slice them in 3s. So now I'm going to take the bowl, I'm going to start layering our salad. So first, we're going to do our mixed greens on the bottom. So when you're layering this, keep in mind that you want to make sure that you get all the way to the edges of each layer so that you can see them. So next, we're going to do our tomatoes. So again, I'm going to go on the outside. Work my way from the outside in. So you can see them on the edges. And then we're gonna do our cucumber. Nice layer of cucumbers. Perfect. Next, our yellow peppers. Trying to do all the colors, not doing 2 greens next to each other. So there we go. So we have the yellow. And now we're gonna do the hard-boiled egg. So the egg, I'm gonna take it so that you could see them. Layers of the egg around the bowl. And next we're gonna take our peas, fill that in. When you're doing your layers, depending on what size bowl and how much mixed greens you use on the bottom, if you need to, you can add a little bit more romaine or mixed greens to the top so that you can get all the way to the top so we can put in our dressing. So we're gonna add a little bit here. Perfect. For the dressing, we're gonna do 1 cup of mayo. I have a cup of sour cream, fresh lemon juice, a little salt and pepper. Whisk this together. It's like your homemade ranch here, so we got that. We're gonna pour this on top, covering the entire top of the salad. And And now we're gonna take our shredded cheese that we have here. Covering that, and then we have some bacon, nice and crispy. So we're gonna crumble that. And our green onion that we've chopped. Look at that. So beautiful, nice and colorful. It's gonna be a hit at your next party. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.